Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher blinking light heavy and express 60 what to do. Fix 1. Perform a hard reset. You have to switch off the dishwasher circuit break or unplug it to turn off power. Leave the power completely disconnect for 15 minutes. Restore the power to reset the main control board. Fix 2. Verify the water supply and inlet valve. Locate the hot water supply valve under the kitchen sink and turn it completely on counterclockwise. Run the kitchen sink hot water tap for 1 to 2 minutes before starting the dishwasher. Ensure the water inlet hose connected to a dishwasher not kinked or crushed. Fix 3. Check for leaks or stuck float sensor. You just have to unplug the unit and flip the circuit breaker to ensure safety. Remove the bottom kick plate located below the dishwasher. Inspect the triangular metal or plastic base pan underneath for standing water or moisture. You just have to soak up any standing water using a paper towel or wet or dry vacuum. Press the small white Citro float leak sensor in the front left corner of the pan. Ensure the float moves freely without getting stuck in the up position. Fix 4. Clean the cylindric filter. Fix 4. Clean the cylindric filter. You just have to open the door and take out the lower disc rack and twist the circular mesh filter assembly counterclockwise to unlock it. Scrub the filter with a warm soapy water to eliminate grease buildup. Inspect the sump hole beneath the filter for debris or solid object. Remove any debris such as broken glass or popcorn kernels from the sump hole. Fix 5. Check stuck button. Ensure the dishwasher is turned off before inspection. Firmly press each button on the control panel to check functionality. Look for any button that feel messy, jammed or collapsed. Wipe down the control panel with the slightly damp microfiber cloth. Remove any grease that may interfere with the touch sensor. Thanks for watching.